So I want to set up a few more measures. So in sales, press the three dots here, and we're going to do a new quick measure. Now the grouping is in time intelligence, so go down there, and it's month over month change. Press that then. So we need to fill out these two boxes here. The first one is I'm going to use is the measure we already set up, total sales. So that's going to be the base value, and the date here, that's going to be our date column from the date table. So that's it here, date. So drag that across into date. That's fine. Just need to press OK. So that's the measure that the quick measure is created for us. Just want to make it plus 1 decimal point for percentage here. So we're going to use some of the coding here to create two other measures. So the way this works here, the quick measure, is that first of all, it's a variable. It's calculated as the previous amount for sales. So that's that part here. Then that's returned, and it's the DAX here is you're just dividing the difference between total sales and the previous month as calculated here, dividing that by the previous month as calculated here. So the two other measures are the previous month and the monthly change. So I'm going to get this as being the previous month. That's what this calculation does. So copy that and over to sales again, and the three dots here, and we're going to do a new measure. This is be called previous month. And paste, Control V to paste. We just copied. So this is the calculate function. So the first thing it does is it creates a table of dates here, which go back 1 month. So that's how much goes back, and it's the month is what we're looking at. And then it calculates the total sales just for the previous month. So tick that here, and we'll make it as 0 here. So comma and 0, fine. That's previous month, and the last one we're going to create is monthly change. So we'll go back to the quick measure that was generated, and it's this part here is the change. So we'll just copy that, and we're going to create our new measure here. That's the three dots here, and it's a new measure. So this is monthly change. Control V. So total sales is fine. That's a measure we have, but prev month is just a variable, so it no longer exists on this one here. So we just delete it here, and we use a measure, which we already set up. So you press to get the measures. You press the 1 square bracket here, open square bracket. So it's total sales less previous month. So that's fine. And we have no decimals here.